Hi, welcome to NCRT CBSE Class 9 Economics Chapter 2 People as Resource. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section Overview Part 4 Story of Sakal number 2, that is Sakal's resourcefulness. This comprises 23 questions. Question 1. Dash were eager to teach Sakal. The options are the school teachers, the missionaries, Butta and Shaila, Butta and Sheila. Your time to choose. And the answer is Butta and Sheila. So, Butta and Sheila were eager to teach Sakal. Next question. Butta and Sheila were eager to dash Sakal. The options are employ, train, teach, help. Your time to choose. And the answer is teach. So, Butta and Sheila were eager to teach Sakal. Question 3. Butta and Sheila forced Sakal to join the dash. The options are village school, family business, military school, children's school. Your time to choose. And the answer is village school. So, Butta and Sheila forced Sakal to join the village school. Next question. Sakal started studying and completed his dash examination. The options are primary school, middle school, secondary school, higher secondary. Your time to choose. And the answer is higher secondary. So, Sakal started studying and completed his higher secondary examination. Question 5. Sakal's father persuaded him to dash. The options are abandon his studies, continue his studies, start a business, start working. Your time to choose. And the answer is continue his studies. So, Sakal's father persuaded him to continue his studies. Next question 6. Sakal's dash persuaded him to continue his studies. The options are mother, brother, father, uncle. Your time to choose. And the answer is father. So, Sakal's father persuaded him to continue his studies. Next question. Sakal's father raised a dash for Sakal. The options are a loan, a cow, his house, an offer. Your time to choose. And the answer is a loan. So, Sakal's father raised a loan for Sakal. Question 8. Sakal's father raised a loan for Sakal to study a dash. The options are degree course in college, vocational course in computers, vocational course in counseling, professional course in college. Your time to choose. And the answer is vocational course in computers. So, Sakal's father raised a loan for Sakal to study a vocational course in computers? Question 9. Sakal was dash. The options are lazy, brilliant, meritorious, hardworking. Your time to choose. And the answer is meritorious. So, Sakal was meritorious. Next question. Sakal was meritorious and dash. The options are interested in studies, inventive, a willing worker, not interested in studies. Your time to choose. And the answer is interested in studies. So, Sakal was meritorious and interested in studies. Next question 11. Sakal was meritorious and interested in studies dash. The options are of every type, in agriculture, from the beginning, to make money. Your time to choose. And the answer is from the beginning. So, Sakal was meritorious and interested in studies from the beginning. Question 12. With dash, Sakal completed his course. The options are great vigor and enthusiasm, great enthusiasm, great vigor, great difficulty, and hard work. Your time to choose. And the answer is great vigor and enthusiasm. So, with great vigor and enthusiasm, Sakal completed his course. Question 13. With great vigor and enthusiasm, Sakal dash. The options are taught the course, studied his course, completed his studies, completed his course. Your time to choose. And the answer is completed his course. So, with great vigor and enthusiasm, Sakal completed his course. Next question. Dash Sakal got a job. The options are after a time, after some time, after a while, after some months. Your time to choose. And the answer is after some time. So, after some time, Sakal got a job. Question 15. After some time, Sakal dash. The options are got married, began working, sat at home, got a job. Your time to choose. And the answer is got a job. So, after some time, Sakal got a job. Next question. After some time, Sakal got a job in dash. The options are a public company, a private concern, a private firm, the government. Your time to choose. And the answer is a private firm. So, after some time, Sakal got a job in a private firm. Question 17. Sakal even designed dash. The options are a new computer program, a new computer software, a new electronic program, a new kind of software. Your time to choose. And the answer is a new kind of software. So, Sakal even designed a new kind of software. Question 18. Sakal's software helped him increase dash of the firm. The options are the clientele, the sale, the reputation, the assets. Your time to choose. And the answer is the sale. So, Sakal's software helped him increase the sale of the firm. Question 19. Sakal's software helped him increase the sale of dash. The options are the firm, computers, software programs, the company. Your time to choose. And the answer is the firm. So, Sakal's software helped him increase the sale of the firm. Question 20. Sakal's dash acknowledged his services. The options are father, mother, uncle, boss. Your time to choose. And the answer is boss. So, Sakal's boss acknowledged his services. Next question 21. Sakal's boss dash. The options are appreciated his services, made him manager, liked his work, acknowledged his services. Your time to choose. And the answer is acknowledged his services. So, Sakal's boss acknowledged his services. Question 22. Sakal's boss acknowledged his services and dash. The options are honored him, transferred him, rewarded him, scolded him. Your time to choose. And the answer is rewarded him. So, Sakal's boss acknowledged his services and rewarded him. Last question. Sakal's boss acknowledged his services and rewarded him with dash. The options are an award, a promotion, a demotion, superannuation. Your time to choose. And the answer is a promotion. So, Sakal's boss acknowledged his services and rewarded him with a promotion. Okay, so in this video, we learned every point in the section Overview, Part 4, Story of Sakal, Part 2, that is, the resourcefulness of Sakal. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section Overview, Part 5, Story of Vilas. I'll see you there.